Okay, let's do solving system of linear equations by substitution. Let's do this quick video. Substitution is a very popular topic on high school, so let's go ahead and solve this. By the name, what you will use is substitution. So basically you will substitute one equation into the other one. In this case, we have y already isolated, so that will be very simple to substitute one into the other one. So what we do here is basically the value of y from one equation we substitute in the value of y for the other equation. Basically, we will have like 3x minus 1 is equal negative 2x plus 4. Once we solve this, the negative 2x will be here 2x. Here's negative, here will be positive. 3x plus 2x is 5x over here. So 5x is equal positive 4, negative 1. When you jump the equal, change the operation from negative 1 to positive 1. It's like adding 1 on both sides. That's cool teach most of the time. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5x equal 5, it means that x equal 1. So x is equal 1. Once we got the value of x, which is 1, then we substitute in any of the equation. If we do it here, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of y, it will be 2. So x is 1 and y will be equals 2. Now let's check on the other equation. If we put the 1 here in the x, 1, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 4 is 2 positive. So we confirm the 2. Now let's do it again, but this time we're going to substitute the x. Let's isolate the x. Let's take the first equation as a model and isolate the variable x. So it will be y minus 4 is equal negative 2x, and then here negative 2 goes down dividing, we have y minus 4 divided by negative 2, that's equal x. Now this value of x we're gonna substitute here in the second equation. Okay, we're gonna do that. Let me use another color. So we write now y is equal 3 times, is 3 times x minus 1 as you see here. So where is x, we're gonna write what we isolate the x. So the value of x, it will be we can like clean up this a little bit, will be y over negative 2 over negative 2, and this one will be 2 positive, plus 2. Okay, and minus 1, because this is only the x, this is only the 3x. Now we need to put the minus 1. Okay, so when we solve this, we will have 3y over negative 2, 3y over negative 2 plus 6. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. I'm going to put the 5 just in this step. 5 equals y. Okay, now we need to solve this. We have variables on both sides. We're going to keep going. And here I have, we're going to keep going this. Let me just take a couple of minutes to explain this. This is one of the graph, and this is the other graph. And here we solve just to confirm the solution by graphing. Once you graph the two lines, where the two lines intercept, that's the solution of the graph, and you will see that is 1, 2. As we see here, we find it, x is 1, y is 2. So x here is 1, x is 1, and y is 2. So that's correct, the solution. So we did it here in one method, substituting the y, and here we're substituting the x. So let's finish this one, and we will see that we'll get the same answer, y equals 2. So now this 5 I'll put over here. It will be y minus 5 is equal 3y over negative 2. So what we do now is negative 2 go up to multiplying over here. It will be 2y minus 10 is equal 3y. Okay. Oh, negative 2 times y is negative 2y, and minus times minus is plus, so it will be plus 10. Now this negative 2y, you write it here as 2y positive, So 10 is equal 3y plus 2y. So that will be 5y. So 10 is equal 5y, y is equal 2. Okay, you see here y equals 2. We did this one just to confirm that what we did, is correct, because in math you can use different method, but you will get the same answer if it's correct. Math, you will get the same answer. So this is, we substitute the y here, and here we substitute the x. But we're using substitution method to solve the system of linear equations. And we just confirm by graphing what we did algebraically. Hope this video helped you in your classes, and thank you very much for watching, and visit the channel. God bless you.